Good evening everybody, welcome to another video. It's Wednesday the 4th of August. I'm just near home by the weir, as you can probably hear in the background. It's about 7 PM and I've come out just for maybe half an hour or an hour just to see if I can sneak some chub off the top, as I have been doing recently. We do loads and loads of rain in the night and tomorrow, so the river's going to be up, so the chub off the top is going to be out of the question for a good few days, I think. So nipped out this afternoon, or this evening I should say, just to do just for an hour. Family are in tow, they're following me down here, so you may hear children's voices in the background, or may even get to see them. Anyway, I think enough talking. I'm not going to mess about. I haven't got too long. As I say, it's going to be starting to get dark in an hour, so I'm going to get down to my favourite swim, which is just down there. We'll have a little go. So here we are. Now, if you haven't seen any of the previous videos, what I'm going to do is drift some bread down just down there, and usually chub up for a bit of feed off the top. I've got my gear I've been using to do this recently. It's my Rovex John Wilson Avon Quiver, set at 11 foot, 6 pound line straight through to a size 6 hook and a Nash bread bomb. Actually that's a size 8, and a Nash bread bomb on there. I've got an Okuma Longbow XT reel, and I've got a loaf of bread, which is actually still frozen, so I'm going to have to defrost some bits between my hands to get going. But we'll have a go. We'll trot a couple of bits down. I won't need to get them confident. What usually happens is I throw a few bits in, or they're having it, or they're completely uninterested. So we'll find out which one it is. So we're ready to go, and literally as soon as they're taken off the top, I shall get a bit of crust in. But we'll see if they're up for a feed. Yeah, unfortunately, real last minute session, so I haven't defrosted the bread. I've got some little bits of half and half here at the moment, but we should know pretty quickly. Yeah, one bit's just gone. Yeah, I hope you saw that right down the bottom there. So, as I say, really no need to get them to get their confidence. Really is a case of get a bait on and let's have a go. Use a bit of white on the hook. Hope you can hear me all right. It's very noisy down here. So what I would expect, as you've just seen, they're really having it, is we'll drop this in and they'll have it straight away, I would imagine. Right, clutch. And just let that drift down. Well, somehow I managed to miss it. Let's hope they haven't wised up. I think we've scared them off. Right, they're not having any of that now. What I'm going to do, I'll leave this to settle down for 20 minutes, half an hour. What we'll do is we'll come back, we'll go down below the weir and have a look down below the Lock Island.
Daddy, I can see a crocodile.
Oh yeah?
I'm not afraid of crocodiles.
Oh, that's good. Probably should be though. There we go.
I can't see the crocodile.
Under that tree.
I can't see the crocodile now. The crocodile just, it wants to eat the swim. Yeah. It's so hungry. It's waiting for it. Can you go with them? Oh. Man. This one's going this way. I want to see the crocodile eat it. I hope it can move. Oh, it's just still. Oh.
Gotcha. Oh. Took it just under the tree.
Yeah, Daddy. Quick. Stronger. Stronger.
Pull harder. I think he's very big. It's all right though.
Just pull harder, Daddy.
Okay. I don't want to pull his head off. We'll get him, don't worry.
This is
Yeah,
the
somewhere.
power.
There he is. Not a monster, but... There he is, my bread and his mate. Gotcha.
I can't see it yet. Oh,
Okay,
wow. Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. It's very big. I'll stroke it carefully.
There we go, guys. The little fella just from under the snag there. Do you want to stroke him?
Show his mouth. Well, hey, that sounds big. Well, hey,
Sounds big, looks big.
yeah, look at that.
I know.
That's a sword.
Come on, let's put him back in the water.
Yeah.
Unhook him, put him back in the water. You wanted that. What he should do is leave that alone. Hopefully. There's half a chance of getting another one, but yeah, I can't put any more free offerings in with that swan around.
I saw a crocodile. Daddy, look at the swan.
What?
So funny.
It's been funny.
Yeah, well, funny, aren't you? I'll find the She's trying to eat some fish.
Oh, we got another one. There we go. Look at that.
One, we got another fish.
Quite a small one, but I feel a bit, unless he's swimming towards me.
Well, it's very big. Let's see you do it again. I do
He's
this one.
swimming towards me.
Do it again. You do the funny this time.
It's like peas in a pod, down here.
Oh, I saw it. Oh, I can see it.
Gotcha.
Are you hungry? You were hungry?
Well, guys, there he is. As I said before, I don't like standing up with fish, but I've got the net here in case he flips. So he's just got his mate resting up in the net. Fab. Wonderful stuff. Right, well, I'm not getting any more response here, and Mr. Swan's back, so I can't really throw anything in or anything. Any bread in, he's going to be all over us. Certainly can't put a hook in to the bread. So I think it's probably time we went back off up to the other spot, see if they've chilled out a bit up there.
Just hurry up.
We caught two, didn't we?
Very late for bedtime.
It's not bedtime yet. We've got to let the fish go. We'll let them get their breath back, and then we'll let them go. Should we let them go now?
Yeah.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Chub. There they go. Back under the tree where they live. Right, we're back. They don't usually calm down very quickly down here. So we may be lucky, we may not. I'm just literally going to put a couple of bits in and then see what happens. Well guys, they're not having it. They're not daft. But down in this swim you usually get one go. I've had me go and I messed it up somehow. I'm not sure what I did. I waited. Didn't strike too quickly, I didn't think. Clearly something was amiss. So that is that. Now we'll be out again over the next few days. But for now, thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed that. It's a short little video. Tight lines. Enjoy your own angling. Many thanks to the channel patrons for your wonderful support. And I'll see you all again very soon.